Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's solve a coding games puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled The Last Crusade by Codingame. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, you want to learn front-end and JavaScript, start now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The story tells Indiana is trapped in a tunnel. Help him escape. In this first level, you just have to get familiar with how the tunnel works. Your goal is simply to predict Indiana movements within this tunnel. This puzzle teaches you to use an associative array that make a link between arbitrary types and directions. To win this game, I need to predict the path that a character will take in a labyrinth according to the topology of the rooms. But keep in mind that Indy always falls, so for the majority of the blocks I simply move downwards. Instead of using for loop, I use the while construction, because it does almost the same, but keep it shorter. Instead of applying numerous if-else statements, I prefer to take a switch case operator. The switch operator checks an expression in brackets by comparing the results of the expression to a clause. Then it executes the actions associated with the clause as well as the statements in cases that follows the matching cases. Let's dive into the code. Read input values and a map of the maze. Read Indy's position and define an associated element of the map. According to the type of the element and the current direction, set a hero's new position. Let's try. Sorry. The position should be integer, so I need to fix my code and run the tests again. Now they all are green. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at Scrabble and spread syntax in JavaScript. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.